In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check if you're shadow banned on X, formerly Twitter, in just a few simple steps. If your posts feel like they're not getting seen, your replies aren't showing up, or your engagement suddenly dropped, this quick test can help you verify whether your account may be restricted. This is a fast and easy method, and it only takes a minute to check. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to a trusted Shadowban testing site. One commonly used option is Shadowban Test. When the site loads, you'll see a search box where you can enter your X username. Make sure you type your exact username correctly, because even a small typo can give you inaccurate results. If your username includes any symbols or letters, enter it exactly as it appears on X. Once you've typed it in, double check it before continuing. This step is important because the test can only check the account you enter. After that, click the check button. The site will now scan your X account and look for common signs of visibility restrictions. These may include whether your posts appear in search, whether your replies are hidden, or whether your account shows signs of being limited in certain areas. Wait a few seconds for the results to load. Once the test is complete, review the output carefully. If the tool indicates that you're not shadow banned, that means your account is generally visible and the issue may be caused by low engagement, timing, or content performance. If the tool suggests restrictions, then your account may be affected by a visibility limit or temporary filter. Keep in mind that these tools are only indicators, not official confirmations from X. So if you see a warning, it's a good idea to keep posting normally, avoid spam-like behavior, and review your recent activity for anything that might have triggered a restriction. You can also try searching your own posts while logged out, or ask a friend to check whether they can see your replies and posts. That gives you another simple way to confirm what's happening. And if you want more tutorials like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. That's it for this quick guide on how to check if you're shadow banned on X. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.